If your WooCommerce store converts at 1%, 10% more traffic just means 10x in the same mistake. I am Solomon. I build WooCommerce store Elementor, the checkout, the analytics, the automation, the whole revenue engineering system underneath that site that actually turns visitors into buyers. I work with DTC commerce founders doing $10,000 a month or more who feel like their store is bleeding sales dry but cannot pinpoint where exactly. Listing stores that have plateaued or new brand that want to launch right the first time, I am the guy for you. The last store I rebuilt went from 9% year-over-year decline to 45% growth in 6 months, conversions up to 3.4x. The custom checkout I built converts at 34%, roughly 7 times the industry average, and every build comes instrumented from day one with Google Analytics 4, Tag Manager, Microsoft Clarity, as well as other apps like the search bar, exit intent pop-up, email automations, and trust signals. Basically everything you need to get your brand to start running. So by the week, you know what is really working and what we can act on immediately. If you are running an Elementor WooCommerce store and something feels off, send me your URL. I'll let you know what is bleeding your sales dry and whether I'm the right person to fix it. Either ways, you walk away knowing more than what you did and exactly what to do.